log out of Facebook on all devices, 2-minute script. Hey everyone, there's a hidden Facebook setting that lets you log out of all your devices at once, and most people have no idea it exists. I'll show you exactly how in 2 minutes. Let's go. On your phone, iPhone or Android, open Facebook and tap the menu button. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then Account Center. Tap Password and Security, then where you're logged in. Select your account, scroll down, and tap Select Devices to log out. Tap Select All. Hit Log Out Confirm. Every device logged out instantly. Done. On your computer, open Facebook in your browser. Click the down arrow at the top right. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. On the left sidebar, click Security and Login. Find where you're logged in and click See More. You'll see every device currently using your account, including the device type and last active time. Scroll to the bottom and click Log out of all sessions. Confirm it, and Facebook kicks every device out at once. That's the hidden setting right there. Here's a bonus trick. When you change your Facebook password, check the box that says Log out of other devices before saving. One move, new password, and all devices logged out at the same time. After logging out, turn on two-factor authentication and enable login notifications so Facebook alerts you anytime someone new tries to access your account. That's it. Simple, fast, and your account is now fully secured. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this today.